So what did you do when you came in from work today? These are the drawers for the dressing table. They've been painted white. I'm fitting knobs. These are horribly expensive knobs, but they're what the customer wants, so what the customer wants, the customer gets. I think they're actually quite tacky, but hey. Pop the screw through the back. It's been an interesting day at work today. I've done an awful lot. And yeah, life just goes on, doesn't it? You go to work, you come home, you work for yourself. This is my time. This is when I'm doing the things I want to do, rather than all those terrible things that my employer wants me to do. So you make the most of it. Don't know, do you like them? Not really. Wouldn't have been my choice, but hey. Not my problem. I'm actually doing this almost scientifically. I left my pencil. my pencil is indoors. Not a lot of point really, but there's plenty of other ways of making marks.